Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Uber driver account step by step. First, download the Uber driver app from the Play Store or App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up or Create Account. Now enter your phone number, email address, and create a password. After that, verify your phone number using the OTP code sent to your mobile. Next, fill in your personal details like your full name, city, and driving information. Now Uber will ask you to upload some documents. Usually these include driving license, vehicle registration, insurance documents, profile photo, identity proof. Make sure all documents are clear and valid. After uploading the documents, select the type of vehicle you want to drive with, like bike, auto, or car, depending on what's available in your area. Now review all your information carefully and submit your application. Uber will verify your details and documents. This process can take some time depending on your region. Once your account gets approved, you can log in to the Uber driver app and start accepting rides. Before going online, make sure your payment details and bank account are added correctly so you can receive earnings. And that's it. That's how you can create an Uber driver account easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.